What's up guys? Nag-crave ako. Ang amats ko today ay matcha. So, ayun, matagal ko na to gusto tikman. Kaya, welcome to another Pati Kim series. Tara, pupunta tayo sa Go to Matcha, Go to Matcha. Lagi ko to nakita sa TikTok, kaya, let's go! Let's go. God, parang ang sarap ng twister fries. Ito ko yung McDo, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang, pero every time na lalabas yung twister fries, ako yung tipo ng tao na hindi ko na miss out bumili ng twister fries. My God, guys. I ordered two. I wanna try it. So yeah, let's go. In order ko. This is the pistachio. Tapos this one is the sea salt. Mmm. Sarap. It's super creamy. Ang bold ng matcha taste niya. So parang nilagyan lang to ng cream ng pistachio sa taas. Tapos I'm not sure if ginamit nila is pistachio milk din. But let us taste the pistachio muna. I am a fan of pistachio. Like, I love pistachio. I like this better. Pero this one is mas matapang. This one is on the lighter side. So this is our patikim series. It's really good. I can recommend it. As in, masarap siya. So if you're looking for a matcha place around Metro Manila, okay siya.